Welcome to our channel, where we bring you daily videos dedicated to helping you make informed choices when it comes to various products. Today, we dive into the world of Logitech mice, uncovering the best options for your needs. But first, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest insights and reviews. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Logitech MX Master 3S. For the best overall, we wanted a mouse that could shift from work to play to everyday use. The Logitech MX Master 3S truly is the best Logitech option when it comes to productivity and daily use, with a ton of programmable buttons, a thumb wheel for added interactivity, and really comfortable ergonomic design. Heck, it's so comfortable it tops our list of the best ergonomic mice you can buy. Beyond that, the optical sensor is incredibly advanced, working on virtually any surface, including glass, meaning you don't have to worry about packing a mouse pad if you plan to take the MX Master 3S with you as your laptop's mouse. When it comes to precision, the MX Master 3S is one of the best non-gaming mice on the market. The dots per inch, DPI, is 8,000. The higher the DPI number, the more minute a movement will trigger the mouse, meaning the more smooth and precise your cursor, or in-game character, will move. Number 2. Logitech G502X Plus Lightspeed. When it comes to gaming, you want a few things. One is high DPI, which the G502X Lightspeed has, 24,000 DPI, to be exact. The next is very responsive buttons. The G502X Lightspeed's combination of optical and mechanical technology means its two main buttons are 60% faster than any Logitech mouse has been before. Last is customizability for different games that require different button layouts. There are a few options available on the G502X Lightspeed. The most expensive model includes RGB lighting elements and is wireless. While in the past, wired connections have been favored over wireless for responsiveness, the difference now is quite minimal. The wired model is just as good of a mouse and is considerably less expensive. The wireless mouse can have a high-speed USB-C connection to a computer if you're worried about wireless lag. You can also get a wireless version without the light elements, which makes the mouse a bit more boring to look at, but saves some money. Number 3. Logitech MK545. Sometimes, you want to kill two birds with one stone. You want a mouse and a wireless keyboard that, frankly, do the job and do it right. There are a lot of Logitech keyboard/mouse combos, but the one that stands out as the best value is the MK545. The MK545 is considered the barest bones of Logitech's mouse keyboard combos, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't do everything you need it to do. The keyboard is a classic layout with multiple tilt options. The keys are nicely sprung but not overly noisy. You get a full layout with QWERTY layout to the left, directional and function buttons in the right middle, and a number pad on the far right. The mouse isn't a multi-function beast, but it does have some nice features. One is a somewhat hourglass-shaped design meant to be used by either right-handed or left-handed users. Number 4. Logitech M330 Silent Plus. Sure, the mouse options above are super impressive, but what if you don't want to spend up to $150 on a mouse? What if you just want to float a retailer at Jackson, that's $20 for any non-American reading, and get a high-quality mouse with minimal options and buttons that can do basic tasks for years to come? Well, of course, Logitech has you covered. The M330 Silent Plus is marketed as Logitech's quietest mouse, and it is. The clicks are barely there, making this an excellent office, co-working, or cafe work mouse to bring with your laptop. Let's face it, laptop trackpads are the absolute worst. The glide over surfaces is very smooth. The rubber grip on the sides of the mouse has a comfortable tactile feel. You get standard 1000 dp precision. All the minimum requirement checkboxes are marked. And on top of that, you get the silence. Number 5. Logitech M720 Triathlon. If you want to power down a little from our first two recommendations and just get a really solid wireless mouse for productivity and daily use, the M720 Triathlon is your pick. You have not one but two wireless options. Bluetooth connects directly with your computer, while the USB option requires that you plug a small receiver into a USB-A port. The DPI on the Triathlon is not that impressive, a standard for everyday use of 1000. If you're not gaming, that precision is more than fine. You can tell the M720 Triathlon is built for productivity because one of its key features is its ability to keep Bluetooth connections to multiple computers and switch between them on the fly. The left side buttons set which connection is current, with a small display on the top letting you know which is selected. There's also a hidden programmable thumb button in the casing on the left side of the mouse.